everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're having trouble receiving Gmail emails on your iPhone, don't worry. I will guide you through some steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issues. Let's get started. Ensure your iPhone is connected to the internet. You can juggle the airplane mode on and off to ensure the internet is well connected. Next, head over to your mail app and pull down the top of the screen to refresh your inbox. This will force the app to check for new emails. Now, head over to the Setting app. Scroll down and tap on Mail. Tap on the account and select your Gmail account. To ensure it's set up correctly, make sure Mail is turned on. Still in the Setting app, tap Notification, then select Mail, and make sure notifications are enabled for your Gmail account. If the problem persists, try removing and re-adding your Gmail account. Go to Setting, then Mail account, select your Gmail account and tap Delete. Then go back to Account, tap Add Account and re-add your Gmail account. Restarting your phone can also be an option. Restart your iPhone to refresh the system. Make sure your iPhone is running on the latest version of iOS. And that's it, guys. By following these simple steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of not receiving Gmail emails on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and share, and stay tuned for more on the iPhone tips. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.